Okay, Govee fam, here I am in Hutto, Texas, not far from Austin and Cedar Park, my stomping ground. But we're gonna do a Govee upgrade redo for this customer. I'm gonna show you what it looks like to go from home self DIY, pretty good install actually, to upgrade with the Govee Perm Track. So let me show you what we got going here. Okay, here's the home. And like all of them, they've had an issue with you know, the VHB, like right there, you know, and he's got this straight run all the way down here. And we go on to the back, and we got extensions running all the way down here to go in, which we don't necessarily need to do that, so we're going to see about fixing that and eliminating some of these extensions for him, give him better access to his power there. So all right, getting started here in Hutto. Got our perm track system ready to go. All of our forever light mount covers. We got our tracks. We got our extra pieces. We got all of our fittings for our corners and everything. So we're good to go. We're gonna get started and I'll update soon. You can see we're doing our initial run here. And we're going along and we've got this guy. And so we've got to cut the notch out here so that this guy can fit like that and still be nice and flush. Y'all can see that. Okay, we got the first run done. Here's what it looks like. So you remember we had to do, you know, custom cut out the track there, and you know, each one of those that we came across there, but you can see it's looking good. We've got here on this corner, we had to custom cut our 90 as well in our short track here and center these two lights. And of course we're getting ready to splice here and go in and up. Do a full custom job on the wiring on this one. Okay, so we got going here on the custom wiring so we can avoid you know, exposed wires having to wrap around the outside. Everything can be concealed. Show you what that looks like real quick. So here's how we're gonna conceal the wires for our jump. You can see here, traditionally you would go around this outside here and have to wrap around, and you got exposed wire, and you go up and over, and you do the same thing as they've done before here. So what you do is you start down here at this soffit and you drill at an angle straight into the attic that way. So you got hole number one, and then you come up here and you go back in the corner here where it's going to be out of the weather. We're going to put silicone there anyway as well, and you go straight into the attic that way, so you create a little loop-de-loo to have your wire. So you can see here's the end that's going to connect here and attach and continue our run on around that way, and then here's where the power's coming from, and this will get concealed, this will get concealed in the track right here where it looks nice and neat. So we'll show you that finished product and look here shortly. Okay, so we're done here with the perm track paint to match custom install by J Rowe Inc. Show you guys how good the lights look once they're installed now. So this is the house with the lights not on. And then go ahead, and then when we switch them on,